Na huimhreacha as Gaeilge déanta níos éasca. Okay, counting people. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to have to learn off 1 and 2 because they are a bit irregular and weird, but then 3 and up are all going to follow the same pattern. So you have 3 things to learn off. 1 person, duine amháin. 2 people, birds. And then from 3 and up, you're always going to have a kind of or sound at the end. So trior, cathair, cúgar, sesir, seachtar, uachtar, and so on. So you don't need to memorize each one, just remember 1, 2, and then remember from 3 and on, it'll be the same pattern. Very similar idea for the ordinal numbers. First and second are a bit weird, but then from third and up, it's going to be a lot easier. The first thing on céad rud, the second thing on daoibh rud, and then from 3 and up, we're always going to end on a U fada sound. So on triú for the third, on cathair the fourth, on cúgu, on séú, on seachtu, and so on. So, although counting people and also doing the ordinal numbers can seem very confusing, if you can remember those 6 things, 1 person, 2 people, 3 people, and first, second, third, you essentially have it covered and you're able to do it.